Mark your answer choices for number 34 through 48. Working for the future tells about unfair child labor practices. In other words, the child labor practices are not fair, always fair, usually fair, sometimes fair. What does affected mean in the following sentence? Gilberger was affected by the stranger's difficult life, and he felt that he had to do something to try to change unfair labor practices in the world. Temporarily amused, seriously endangered, emotionally moved, or permanently saddened. Temporarily amused means for a short time, really kind of laughing at something. Seriously endangered means he thought that endangered means to kill off something. Emotionally moved means feelings and you wanted to do something about it. It was really moving to you because it caused feelings. And permanently saddened means forever sad. Working for the Future states that when Kielberger speaks to youth groups, he tells them that even the smallest action can have an impact. Which of these is a synonym for impact? Fullness, challenge, effect, explanation. Use this entry from a dictionary to answer number 37 and 38. Make sure you read through here and look for what the question is asking you to look for. Which definition does back have in the following sentence? Some of these people were not allowed to enter the new homeland they had dreamed of and were sent back to China. Definition 1, 2, 3, or 4. Remember, you're going to go back here and look at the definitions. What part of speech is back in the following sentence? Some came because they couldn't make the back payments of their farm, on their farm. Verb, adjective, noun, or adverb. What does influence mean in the following sentence? However, a park ranger found the poems and notes on the walls, and he organized a group of people who influenced the government to save the important buildings. Asked, persuaded, commanded, pleaded with. Which of the following is a synonym for recognize as it is used in the following sentence? Wenzi did not recognize the Chinese characters, but her mother and father excitedly agreed that they spelled out Peng Chin 1930. Know, study, view, touch. With the suffix ion added to the base word, what does the word confusion mean? Without being confused, confused to a certain degree, state or quality of being confused, or confused repeatedly. Which of the following guide words would appear on the dictionary page on which the word detained could be found? Deny to dental, describe to desert, detect to dial, and destroy to devil. Number 43. Which meaning of the article is used in the following sentence? Which meaning of article? When he was 12 years old in 1995, Kielberger was searching for the comics page in the newspaper when he came upon an article about a 12-year-old boy in Pakistan. A factual story, an item of goods, a business matter, a word used to... Nope. A word used with a noun. What is a synonym for instant in the following sentence? Blogging is also a way to give instant news on events while they are happening. Immediate, detailed, brief, accurate. Which of the following best explains the phrase breaking news? News with a negative impact, news as events are happening, news about not obeying the law, news that is delivered in sections. Which of the following guide words would appear on the dictionary page on which the word accurate could be found? Abandon to accident, ache to actor, accent to account, or accept to acid. Which two words have nearly the same meaning? Used and shared, provide and know, express and change, created and made. What is the base word of combination? Combine, comb, nation, bend.